I ordered this blue carpet. I had to cut this out so far. I'm gonna trim all that up, and you know, it fits a little better. It was definitely a struggle just to get here. This thing is barely molded. I guess the back is molded and the tunnel's molded, but this middle hump is not molded. It looks pretty good for now. I got the Super Primo, whatever it was, but it was like 450 bucks. There was some sound deadening that I didn't put in yet. I'm just trying to fit this thing in and then worry about all that. But I took the shifter off. I'm about to cut this hole. So, you know, let's feel for the nubs, cut the holes. This thing's pretty close right now. These corners match up. So I'm gonna cut this hole and continue on.